Criminal Code of Cambodia, 2009, Mitigating Circumstances. Chapter 2. Mitigating Circumstances. Article 93. Definition of mitigating circumstances. When the nature of the offences or the personality of the perpetrator justifies, the court may provide the accused the benefit of mitigating circumstances. The mitigating circumstances may also be granted to the convicted person even he/she is declared as an individual who is in recidivism. Article 94. Impact of mitigating circumstances. When the court grants the accused the mitigating circumstances, the minimum of the principal penalties imposed upon for a felony or a misdemeanour is reduced according to the following scale. 1. If the minimum of the penalty for imprisonment imposed upon is equal to or more than 10 years, it is reduced to 2 years. 2. If the minimum of the penalty for imprisonment imposed upon is equal to or more than 5 years and less than 10 years, it is reduced to 1 year. 3. If the minimum of the penalty for imprisonment imposed upon is equal to or more than 2 years and less than 5 years, it is reduced to 6 months. 4. If the minimum of the penalty for imprisonment imposed upon is equal to or more than 6 days, and less than 2 years, it is reduced to 1 day. 5. The minimum of the fine imposed upon is reduced to a half. Article 95. Penalty of life imprisonment and mitigating circumstances. When an offence is sentenced to a life imprisonment, the judge who grants mitigating circumstances may pronounce the penalty of imprisonment of between 15 years and 30 years.